back to another video. My name is Jasmine, and as you can see, we got the bald cap on, so you know what that means. We're applying another wig, and this wig is a 5x5, hence why I have like my sides out. And it is a wig from LUVME Hair. You know the deal, I love them so much. And I decided to try out this curly unit for you guys today. As you can see, the lace is completely see-through. I did bleach the knots, but I did not pluck. I did not pluck the hairline this time. I just bleached and that was it. But as you can see, the curl pattern on this is gorgeous. It literally mimics like my natural curl pattern so much. And I typically don't go for curl patterns like this because I feel like it's kind of pointless if my hair is curly to go with curly hair. But I was like, let's try something different. So as you could see, it had an elastic band. So I just went ahead and popped it on my head. And now I'm just taking the hot comb and I am just flattening out the top a little bit because I didn't want it to be super bulky on the top. And now I'm just taking this Cantu Wave Whip and I'm just gonna be putting that all over my curls. And as y'all will be able to see, once this mousse is in the hair, oh my gosh, these curls, gorgeous. Like, looks like I just got out the shower, like fresh, like beachy, like I love it. I feel like this hair texture and this unit would be perfect for like the summertime if you're gonna get your hair wet a lot, or you know, things like that. If you just kind of want like that island girl look, I feel like this hair is giving, because I feel like a lot of times, like when we go on vacation, we always love getting a little curly bundles in, curly unit in. This is your girl right here. And it's short, so it's not gonna be all down your back and super hot, but it still gives you that vibe. Chef's kiss. So I ended up just putting the mousse throughout the hair, and as you can see, these curls are just so pretty and natural. And like I said, I did not pluck the hairline at all, but as you can see, the hairline is not bulky. It doesn't look like super wiggy. So I did over bleach the knots a little bit. I know y'all could probably tell right now, but that's okay. That's okay. We can always fix that. But I'm just adding in a couple of face framing layers just because I wanted to give it a little bit more shape in the front. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I did not apply any glue on this wig because with LUVME wigs, you really don't have to apply glue, just because they do have that elastic band which really holds down the units. If you want to apply glue, you're more than welcome to. If you want to add baby hairs, you're more than welcome to. But I just felt like this hair mimicked like my curly hair so much, I just left it as is and just was like, you know what? This is what it's gonna be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this unit. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.